good people. They straight up. They're good on fuel. I mean, you can run all day on a half tank, and it's just the way it's set up. It's easier to operate. You can move and set up in 30, 40 minutes. I had a Warrior 1800, and then when we upsized to this Chieftain, it's a totally different animal.
Yeah.
A lot faster. You know, it's just easy to operate. The 1800 is good, but it just ain't big enough to stay up with this 400. And plus, it's big enough, it can handle both these crushers dumping in it. Price-wise, yeah, they're competitive there in the market with everybody. You know, you can find some cheaper ones, but you buy what you get, junk.
Yep.
Go Powerscreen.
Go